Welcome back to Saving Sweet William from the beautiful Ionian island of Zakynthos. We're picking up from where we left off last week. If you haven't seen that video yet, we were rendering the dwarf wall that runs all the way around the front and the side of the villa. Time had taken its toll on the wall and it was missing several chunks of concrete. So we put a base coat of Duro Stick D55, which is a cement based render, on the wall. We've let that dry for a couple of days and now we're going to apply a skim coat of Stucco Fix. Now this stuff is really supposed to be mixed with a paddle mixer. It's very lumpy and it's really difficult to mix by hand. As always, we're making do with the bare minimum here, so this is me trying to apply the mixture to the wall after mixing it for around 10 minutes. As I was applying it, the lumps were rising to the surface and I was beginning to get a bit annoyed. This didn't look good, so after raiding the kitchen drawer, Joe came to save the day with a kitchen whisk.
I could see Chris was getting a bit stressed with the lumpy Stucco Fix, so I went into the kitchen to see what I could find to help, and the first thing that came to mind was a hand whisk. Great, I thought I can whisk this and make life a bit easier for him, not really thinking about how thick or heavy or hard it was going to be or how long I needed to whisk for. My arm was killing me, but we managed to get the lumps out. The whisk didn't survive, but it did the job and that was what we needed.
For a place where we
Let's just remind ourselves about what we started with and have a look at what it looks like now. The front wall is north facing and didn't dry in time for us to finish it before we had to head back to the UK. But after 3 days of rendering, skimming, sanding and painting, we were really happy with how the main wall turned out. Gone was the flaky, damp eaten concrete with chunks missing, looking really sorry for itself. It had been replaced with a smooth, solid and shiny bright white dwarf wall. We're going to have to take a few precautions to stop the damp rising again, but this is a good start. The final skim coat took quite a bit of effort to get right, but it was worth persevering with. The difference that just repairing this tiny wall has made to the overall look of the villa is something that we're really happy about. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. We really appreciate having you guys with us on this journey. Your likes, subscribes and comments are always really appreciated. We enjoy hearing from you guys and we hope to see you again soon.